before the cut, and this is after. So as you can tell, I just went straight through it with the Sawzall. All right, guys, we turned the Stinger into a spear. So, oh yeah, I just hit the grill. That looks a ton. Whoa, that actually does look a lot better. That looks a lot more proportionate. There's the spare right there, still powder coated green from Big Sauce. Pretty cool to see that still around. All right, guys, here is Sauce, and been driving it to work. It's still doing really good. Have not noticed any more signs of coolant leaking, which is awesome. Also put a stock spare back here. So we've got the stock JK spare. Probably gonna plastic dip or something just to kind of blend in. You know, everything in there is pretty spick and span. I'm actually about to take the tires off, and I don't mean just off the Jeep. I'm talking about the tires from the wheels, because we are about to drop those off. I'll let you guys see when he's done. We got to level out the front a little bit more because the winch and the bumper did weigh it down a little bit more than expected. So, you know, the tires are pretty clean. They're getting ready to be sold. They are separated. Rings are right here. About to load those up. You can see the long arm pretty good like this actually. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the Gladiator's new home. Got the tires separated. Already got pictures posted up. Got those for sale. So the slabs are in the Jeep and the JK. And yeah, everything is separated. This bracket and the frame you guys have seen. So, you know, all that is beautiful. All that is solid, brand new stuff. Might wipe down the frame, you know, while this is going on here and there. This kind of little project stuff here. Lug nuts here piled up, organized. Oh, this aluminum. Okay, got those fit in the front seat there. That actually fits pretty good. Hopefully the door will close with these rings. Just barely. I think it'll be all right. It's on the carpet anyway, so yeah. This thing seriously does drive really, really smooth now that it's back to stock. It doesn't do too bad because it's on stock tires, and I'm pretty sure it does have 373s since it has the tow package, but love that 3.8 interior. It's one of our favorites, that's for sure. Still currently in the process of everything. Wheels have been dropped off for paint. So those are going to be hopefully done within the next week or two. And we're going to have to align the front anyways, you know, once we do make changes. We're also going to be picking up some LED headlights. Those are going to be blacked out. So, you know, having orange paint with black sliders and fenders and bumper and everything like that, we don't really have an accent color. Nothing's really color matched yet. So you know, having those headlights to match everything else is definitely going to be nice. I don't know, it's kind of sad. I really do miss it a lot, and this makes me more excited to get it back going and expedite this process. And I'll probably end up detailing it like inside and out, you know, especially windows and all that. You know, that'll be part of the process there. The rear, you know, same thing, just keeping it clean, no clutter, nothing crazy back here. Just utility stuff. Have yet to take the hardtop off. Do not ever plan on it. Maybe one day just for fun, but it's probably gonna leak once that happens. And kind of want to keep that original factory seal. All right, guys, as you saw, we took out the grill and the headlights because we are putting in those LED headlights. But yeah, we decided to test out the white Sahara grill on Gladiator. Some people were saying that the Gladiator grill is actually wider than the JL, which, as you can see right here, not at all. It definitely seems to fit. So I mean, I'm assuming you can put, you know, pretty much any factory JL grill on a JT or vice versa. So alrighty, guys, headlights are in. That is all good. We just got the headlight mounted though, so that all looks really good. Ended up buffing out the lens, which looks nice and clear now, a lot better than what it was. It was pretty scratched up because this one's brand new, but they both match pretty well now. So I'd also decided to crank the engine because it had been sitting, let it run for a little bit and get warm. But headlights turned out really good, guys. It gives that grill that color match look, makes the paint look really good too. Here's the Rubicon flare, and obviously, you know, we only have one because that's why the guy was actually selling this whole setup. Was he was selling the support brackets for a really cheap price because he actually had lost his other flare on the interstate. It flew off and he couldn't find it, so he only had one left, and we got that one, so we got it off a really good deal. And we're just gonna put this on until we can find another one. We might actually go look for it on the interstate. Probably not, but possibly paint match them. We'll just kind of have to wait and see. For the main reason, you know, ever since we got this Gladiator, we wanted Rubicon fenders very bad. So this is the first step, and we're making it happen. So this fender is for the driver's side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on and assume. Pop down all the clips, so. Looks very good. Yeah, that little divot where the hood latch is, you know, it really stands out, especially with those headlights. Support bracket, so that's gonna sit up in there. You know, you're gonna have a little light right there. That's gonna look good, but get up to it, you can kind of see it goes up to about the hood line right there. I don't really know how many inches that is. So obviously the lug studs are sticking past the spacer, which the wheel cannot sit flush onto the spacer like that. Though we're gonna get that pre-order PS5, we're gonna pick it up, and it's gonna be sweet. Oh yeah.
It's supposed to be like really like some next gen stuff. They got like microphones built in, and they have like this special adaptive trigger.
Thanks, enjoy. Oh. Can you bring me up to these ones?
Oh.
Yeah, I got you one. It's right back there.
I remember. Was in the middle of pressure washing the tires and the fender wells and stuff, and my pressure washer engine blew up, so it started smoking and now it's locked up. So I'll throw that away and get another one. Paint is looking pretty slick. Been working on the Gladiator a lot. Gladiator's chilling in there right now, getting ready. Tires are on order, everything like that is being done. The reason why you're seeing us take out bolts with a keychain screwdriver is because we're stranded in a creek, and the Jeep is, as you can see down here, the nylon bushing broke. So yeah, we're trying to pull the console apart, and we're gonna connect it back. So that bolt's already out, so that one's good. I've never taken off this console area in a 3.8 automatic. Yeah, so I don't know where all the bolts and clips and, you know, whatnot are. And it looks like how things are naturally moving that it feels like you're gonna break every bone in your body when you do it. But yeah, okay, I see the bolt. It's back here behind it. So I've got, and go to town. There we go. This piece of plastic fell out. Yeah, it looks like I was right on how that's separated up here. That seems like how that's gonna work. That base is gonna stay there. Get it and try to connect it back. I'm gonna try that first before I rip out the shifter knob. Zip tie always usually works pretty well if applied correctly in the right size. Now we're back in two-wheel drive. Alright, we can go home. We don't have any cell phone service, so we would have been screwed if we couldn't figure that out, but it's all good, we got it, and that's all it was. I knew this day would come at one point, but didn't expect it to be out here.